Hi, Bon Putalata. Good evening. ඔබතේ ගිය ඉරිදා වෙසක් දිනේ හින්දා අපිට පන්ති කරන්න බැරි වුණා. සැටර්ඩේ ක්ලාස් එකක් කළේ නැහැ අපි තිබුණ තත්ත්වය අනුව. ඒ හින්දා මම අද කොමන්ලි හැමෝටම ඔන්ලයින් එකට එන්න කියලා කිව්වේ නිසා මේ මොකද එතකොට අපිට සැටර්ඩේ සන්ඩේ ඉදිරියට පාඩම කරා යන්න පුළුවන් අලුත් කොටසකින්. ඒ නිසා තමයි ඔක්කොමන්ට වෙන්න කියලා කිව්වේ. මම හිතන්නේ මෙසේජ් එක හරියට ගිහිල්ලා නැද්ද නේ. මම නැවත මෙසේජ් එකක් දැන් දැම්මා. right. To discuss homework number 9. The following is a compound plane figure consisting of a rectangle and two semicircles. Find the perimeter of the figure. First, you can determine length of circular parts. Length of circular parts 2πr. And two semicircles means it is a circle. By using 2πr, you can determine it. 2 times 22/7. Radius is, the diameter is 21. Radius 21/2. Simplify by 7. 3. 66 cm. Then determine the perimeter. Yes, 66 plus 242. 42 plus 42. Have you got it? 150?
Yes, sir.
Right. The answer is 150. රෙකෝඩින් එක දාන්න අපේ group එකට. බැරි වෙන අයට අදම කොහොම හරි දාන්නම්. හරි. මේකේ Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4. You can't do them. ඔයාලට එක ටික කරන්න බෑ. අද lesson එකෙන් පස්සේ තමයි කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. හරි. Then the area of the no, you can do it. You can do it. Have you discussed area of circular part in grade 9? When you're in grade 9? Yes, area of a circle is pull on. Find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Multiply length and breadth. 42 into 21. The answer is 882 square centimeters. I got it?
Yes.
Right there. Then find the area of the semicircular parts. Two semicircle means it's a circle. By using 5r squared, you know about that. 5r squared, we can determine it. 22/7. R squared 21/2 into 21/2 or 10.5. Simplify by 7. 1, 3 by 2, 11. 33 into 21. 693 divided by 2. Your answer is 346.5. ඒකද පුතේ උත්තරේ?
Yes.
Right. 346.5. This is the answer. And last one, find the area of the compound plane figure. To find it, you have to add the area of the rectangular part and the area of the semicircular parts. The total angle is the total area is 1228.5. Yes, this is the answer. Second question. According to the given figure, find the perimeter of the shaded part. We need the perimeter. Perimeter of the shaded part. Shaded part, there are two arc length and two 3.5s. Right? And large arc length, two 5R into 60 over 360. 22 over 7. Important thing, first of all, identify what is the shaded part. Right? The shaded part is this one. What are the length around the shaded part? Large arc length, small arc length, and two 3.5s. Radius is the large one, the radius is 10.5. 10.5. Then simplify this 1 over 6. Yes. Simplify by 2. 11 by 3.5. 2, 3. By 3, 2. Then 11 over 4. 11 over 4 means 2 for 8. 75, 2.75 cm. The small arc length, again 25R, 22 over 7. The radius is 7. 1 over 6. The angle at the center is same 60 degrees. Simplify it by 2. 3. 22 over 25 R 10.5, yes. 1 over 6. If you divide by 3.22, 3. 22 over 7. Radius is 10.5. 2, 3. Then one that may 25R 22 over 7. 2 Radius 10.5. 1 over 6. 7 and 10.5 can be divided by 3.5. Make it 2, 3. These two can be divided. 3 over 6, 2. 11 centimeters. The large arc length 11 cm. The sun is 20 over 3. 7.
0.3.
Yes, 0.3 centimeters. Then perimeter is equals 11 plus 7.3 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. 25.3 centimeters. 25.3 centimeters. Right. Question number 3. Then find the value accurate to the first decimal place. (21.3). Can apply a division method. The complete square less than 21 is 16. Square root is 4. 4 into 4, 16. Take this 3. Next pair of the decimal point. First decimal place. Right. Twice of 4, 8. What is the value? Is it 8?
6. 6.
6, yes, 6. I think 6. Yes. 6, 6. 516. Take another pair of 0. Twice of 46, 92. The sun is 1. The first decimal place, your answer is square root of 21.3 equals 4.6. 4.6. Second question. 1471. 1471. We need two decimal places. Write down 2 pairs of zeros. Complete square less than 14. It's 9. Square root is 3. 3 into 3, 9. 5. Take next pair. Twice of 3, 6. Yes, sir. What is the value?
8.
8, yes. 68 into 8. 44. Yes. 727. Next pair, put the decimal point. Twice of 38, 76.
2.
2, yes. 4. 2 or 3?
3, sir.
Yes, 3. 9, 8, 22. Not, just, yes. 1, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. Next pair. 6, 6. We need a value. What is the value?
5.
5, yes, 5. Not need to multiply. Suitable value is 5. We can round off it to the first decimal place. According to the second decimal place, we can round off it. This one is 5, add 1. The answer is 38.4. I got it, 38.4.
Yes.
The answer is 38.4. 38.4. Right. Third question, තුන්වෙනි එක. Zero point 3750. 0. Take next pair. The decimal point. Complete square less than 36. 36 square root is 6. 36 subtract 1. Take this 50. Then twice of 6, 12. 1. Yes. The first decimal place, the answer is, what is the answer? 375. The first is 0.6. 0.6. Fourth question. $65.32. 32. Complete square less than 65 is 64.
8.
8, yes, 8, 8 to 8, 64. Subtract 1. Next pair. Put the decimal point. 8 times 2, 16. This one is 0. 132. Next pair, twice of 80, 160. We need a value. What is the value?
8.
Yes, it is 8. And you can write the answer, square root of 65.32 to the first decimal place is 8.1. 8.1. Because that second decimal place value is 8, a value greater than 5. In situation like this, when rounding off, 1 should be added to the first decimal place, 8.1.
Excuse me, sir.
Fifth question. පස්වෙනි එක. .921. 1.921. 1 into 1, 1. Subtract 0, take 92. Put the decimal point. Twice of 1, 2. What is the value?
3.
Yes, sir, 3. 9, 6. 12 minus 9, 3. 23. Next pair. Twice of 13, 26. Yes, what is the value?
8.
8. Don't need to multiply. Your answer is 1.921 to the first decimal place, 1.4. The second one is 8. The answer is 1.4. 1.4. Question number 4. හතරවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ. One. 2 1/4 of 1.5 minus 1/3. What is the first operation that should be applied according to BODMAS? Obvious. 9/4 of means multiplication. 3/2 minus 1/3. No common factors. 27/8. 1/3. Common denominator 24. Divide 24 by 8. 3 into this one 81. Divide 24 by 3. 8 into 1 8. 73/24. 3 1/2. Have you got it? Is this yes?
Yes, sir.
Right. The second one. 3 1/3. 3 1/3 plus 1 1/4 of 1 1/2 minus 1/4. There are 4 operations of 1.5 minus 1. First of all, simplify this off. 10/3. 5/4. 5/4. Of means multiplication 3/2 minus 1/4. This. No common factors. 10 over 3, 15 over 8, minus 1 over 4. What is the common denominator?
24.
24. When dividing 24 by 3, 8 into 10, 80. 24 by 8, 3 into this one, 45. 24 by 4, 6 into 1, 6. 125 minus 6 over 24. Yes. 119 over 24. As 4, 23 over 24. Is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Right. Third one. 2 1 over 3. 1 1 over 6. 7 over 3. 7 over 6. 1 over 4. 7 over 3. 6 over 7. 1 over 4. Divide by 7 by then 2 over 1 minus 1 over 4. Common denominator 4. 4 1 4 into 2 8 minus 1. 7 over 4. 1 3 over 4. උත්තරය ආද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Right. The last fraction. One and a half. 2 1 over 3. 4 and a half. 1 over 3. According to the Bodmas law, first simplify values in the brackets, fractions in the bracket. 3 over 2. 7 over 3. 9 over 2 into 1 over 3. Right? 3 over 2, 7 over 3, 9 over 2. Common denominator is 6. 6 over 2, 3 into 3, 9. 6 over 3, 2 into 7, 40. 9 over 2, 1 over 3. 23 over 6. Do this division, multiplied by the reciprocal 2 over 9 into 1 over 3. Divide by 2. 23 over 27. 1 over 3. No common factors. Finally, 23 over 81. Is this the answer? Have got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then question number 5. පස්වෙනි එක. Fifth question. 16 cm, 13 cm, right? PQR is a right angle triangle. Show that the length of PR is square root of 425. Yes, you can apply Pythagoras relationship to find it. PR equals squared equals 16 squared plus 13 squared. PR squared equals 256 plus 169. Yes. PR squared equals 425. When finding PR, take the square root of 425. Second question, find the value of PR to the second decimal place. Right. You can use division method to second decimal place. That means you have to find it to the third one. Square root complete square less than 4. Equal value is 4. 2 into 2, 4. Subtract 0, take 25. Twice of 2, 4. This one is 0. Subtract 25. Next pair, put the decimal point. Put the decimal point. Twice of 2040. I think the value is 6. 36, 24. Yes. 464. Next pair. Twice of 206, 412. The value is 1. Yes, 1. 4121. Subtract 9. 7 minus 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 2. Next pair. Right? Twice of this one. Make it degunaya. 4122. Yes.
5.
Yes, 5. Not need to multiply it. Then you can write PR equals to the second decimal place 20.62 centimeters to the second decimal place, because the third decimal place value is 5. And when rounding off it, add 1 to the second decimal place, the answer becomes 20.62. 20.62. Corrections karaganna. Right. Sixth question. Expand and simplify. Expand and simplify. Three x plus y. X minus y. The first one. Second one. Minus x plus 3y plus 3y. X plus 2y. Third one. P minus 2q minus p plus q. 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 minus 2x plus 1. That's right. Write down like this 3x times x minus y, then plus y times x minus y. 3x squared minus 3xy plus xy minus y squared. 3x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. Second question, minus x times x plus 2y plus 3y times x plus 2y minus x squared minus 2xy plus 3xy 6y squared minus x squared minus 2xy plus 3xy means plus xy plus 6y squared. උත්තරේ ගත්තද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Right. Third one, p times minus p plus q minus 2q times minus p plus q minus p squared plus pq plus 2pq minus 2q squared, right? Minus p squared plus pq plus 2pq minus 2q squared minus p squared, like terms can be added, it's 3pq minus 2q squared. Last question, 4x minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 times minus 2x plus 1. 4x into minus 2x minus 8x squared. 4x into 1, 4x. Then minus 3 into minus 2x plus 6x minus 3. Yes. Minus 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. Minus 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. හරිද පුතේ?
හරි sir.
හරි. පුතා ගණන් හදන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ගණන් ගොඩක් කියන්නේ මිශ්‍රව හැදෙනවා. එතකොට පුතාලා මම miscellaneous එක දුන්නා නේද පුතාලට?
ඔව් sir.
ඔය එකේ මුල් ගණන් ටික අපි ඔක්කොම හදන්න ගියොත් අපිට ලෙසන් එක කරන්න බැරි වෙනවා. අපි සතියෙන් සතිය හදමු දැන්. අද ගණන් 5ක් විතර හදලා ඊළඟ සතියේ තව ගණන් 5ක් විතර මේ විදිහට යමු. නැත්තම් අපිට ඉස්සරහට යන්න බැරි වෙනවනේ. Right. Question number 7. Seventh question. මේ miscellaneous එකේ congruence of triangles වල miscellaneous එකේ ඔක්කොම ටික හදන්න ඕනේ. ඒක ඉතා වැදගත්. වැදගත්ම එතන මේ තලගේ miscellaneous එකේ ගණන් මම හිතන්නේ ගණන් තියෙන ඔක්කොම 12 11ක් තියෙනවා. ඒ ටික බෝඩ් එක පේනව නේ පුතේ? සමහර වෙලාවට දැන් පේනව නේද?
පේනවා sir.
Hari. Question number 7. Find the value of a squared plus b squared when a plus b equals 9 and ab equals 20. We can start from this one. A plus b equals 9. Take the square of both sides. Then square එක ගන්න පුළුවන් දෙපැත්තම. Then a plus b squared 9 squared. Expand this a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals 81. And make a squared plus b squared the subject. 81 minus 2ab. And a squared plus b squared equals 81 minus 2ab. AB is given 20. 81 minus 40. What is the answer? The answer is 41. Last question. अंतिम प्रश्न. Find the value of a squared minus b squared when.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can you explain it again?
We need a squared plus b squared, right? Then can you start from this one? A plus b equal 9. Then take the square of both sides. A plus b whole value to the power 2. 9 squared. Then you can expand this. A plus b squared කියන මොකද්ද? මේක අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. A plus b squared means a plus b into a plus b. අපි මේක එකපාර ගන්නත් දන්නවා. නේද? a times a plus b plus b times a plus b. Right? A squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. These two can be added. A squared equals 2ab plus b squared. කෙලින්ම ගන්න කොහොමද? Square of the first term. Then product of twice of the two terms. ab into 2, 2ab. Then square of the third term. b squared equal 81. Then අපිට ඕනේ මොකද්ද? a squared plus b squared. ඒක මේ වෙද්දී තියාගෙන 2ab මෙහෙට ගන්න. It becomes minus, but you know the value of ab is 420. 2 into 20, 40. Subtract 40 from 81. Finally, the answer is 41. හරිද පුතේ?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. In your last question, find the value of a squared minus b squared. It's not a squared minus b squared. Correct it as a squared plus b squared. ඒක හදාගන්න වෙනවා පුතාලට. ඒක මම දීලා තියෙන්නේ find the value of a squared minus b squared කියලා. ඒක හදාගන්න a squared plus b squared කියලා. When a minus b 12 and ab 15. Start from this one. A minus b equals 12. Consider square of both sides. A minus b squared equals 12 squared. Expand this. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals 144. In a squared plus b squared 144. Change this, becomes plus 2ab. Then 144 plus 2 times ab is 15. 144 plus 30. Your answer is 174. පුතේ හරිද? ඒක ගානේ වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා එතන. ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ -b මොකටද දීලා තියෙන්නේ -b 12 AB 15. Right. Miscellaneous එක ගන්න දලගේ. First question. In the figure, AX parallel to YB and AX equal YB. Show that the straight lines AB, YX bisect each other at P. Bisect each other at P means you have to prove AP equal PB and YP equal PX. AP equal PB and YP equal PX. Then you can say AB and YX intersect at bisect at P. Right? අපිට ඒක කියා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ දෙක සමානයි කියලා bisect වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. Divides into two equal parts. Bisect each other. මේ කොටසට මේක, මේ කොටසට මේක equal කියලා කියන්න වෙනවා. How can you do it? First of all, prove these two as congruent triangles. මේ දෙක congruent කියලා කියාගත්තා නම් හරි පුතාලා. Proof part එක. Then in the triangles APX and BYP. These two are equal alternate angles, right? XAP equals PBY, YBP, alternate. Right? XAP, then AXP, yes, AXP equals BYP is also alternate angles, and AX equals YB is given. Therefore, triangle APX congruent triangle BYP. Tell me what is the case? Angle, side. Very good. Therefore, yes, but vertically opposite angles also can be considered. Make a vertically opposite angle එක උනත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක alternate එකක් අතහැරලා vertically opposite angle එකක් අරගෙන prove කරන්න පුළුවන්. However, the case is angle side. Therefore, we can say මොකක්ද කියන්න පුළුවන් පුතාලට? AP equal PB. And also AP හරිනේ AP. මේක තමයි equal angles දෙක. Opposite side. And PX equals PY. Right? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. AP equal BP. Therefore, AP and XY bisect each other at P. Each other at P. Second question අපි දෙවෙනි එකට යමු. හරිද පුතේ මේව හැදුවද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. හදන්න නම් ඕනි. ඉතින් මම ලියන එක ලියලා නම් හරියන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. හරි ගණන් ටික හදලා මේ වැඩේ කරගන්න වෙනවා නැත්නම් ඉතින් අපරාධේ. නැත්නම් second question දෙවෙනි එක. Right. In the triangle ABC, the midpoints of AC is M. These two are equal. Right? The perpendicular drawn from A and C meet BM and BM produced at P and Q respectively show that A and P congruent MQC. Yes. How to prove these two as congruent triangles? How to prove this? These two. Just tell me what is the case when proving. What is the case that has to be used?
Right angle hypotenuse side.
Right angle hypotenuse side, RHS.
Yes sir.
No, I think you can't.
Angle side.
Yes, angle side. Right angle. This is two right angle triangles, but you can't use in this case. In this RHS. Why? We know the hypotenuse are equal. These two are right angle. Then how to say about another side? We don't know. It's not given. And we can't find it also. Right? We know two angles are equal, the right angles and vertically opposite angles, and a side. Under the case, angle, angle, side. Right? In the triangles, AMP and AMP and MQC. APM equals MQC.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So the board is unclear right now.
All right. AMP equals MQC given. AMP equals QMC. Vertically opposite angles. AM equals MC given. Therefore, triangle AMP congruent triangle MQC under the case angle, angle, side. Corrections correct. Under the case angle, angle, side. Third question. Using the image in the figure, show that ADF congruent DBE. Yes. What is the case?
Angle, side.
Yes, again, angle, side. These two are equal, parallel sides, vertical corresponding angles, and yes, corresponding angles. These two are parallel, and these two also equal. You can see what type of angle? Corresponding angles. These two are equal. Parallel side line, letter F, and this pair also equal. Letter F. Two angles are equal and side. Under the case angle, side. In the triangles, ADF and DBE. ADF equals DBE. Corresponding angles. DAF equals BDE. Again, corresponding angles. AD equals DB given. Therefore, triangle ADF congruent. Triangle DBE. Angle, side. Angle, side. Question number 4. ABC in the figure is an equilateral triangle. The midpoint equilateral triangle, right? All the angles are All the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. You know about this. Equal triangle එක sides සමානයි, angles සමානයි. Right? The midpoints of AC and EF respectively. Midpoints. Show that AB and FC are perpendicular. AB and FC. You have to prove this as 90 degrees. It's very easily you can prove it. First you can prove this triangles are congruent. Then tell me how to prove it. How to prove it? If you prove these two are congruent triangles, then you can say these two are equal. But you know, this is a straight angle. If it is one angle equal 90, that means FC perpendicular to AB. Tell me, when proving these two as congruent triangle, what is the case that has to be used? What is the congruent case? Side. Yes, you can use side. All this is an equilateral triangle. These two are equal. And midpoint, these two also equal. This is a common side. By using side, we can prove it. In the triangles, AFC and BFC, BC equals AC equals BC. Sides of equilateral triangle F equals FB. Given, right? FC is common side. Therefore, triangle AFC congruent triangle BFC under the case side. Therefore, you can say AFC equals BFC. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. But you know, නමුත් පුතාලා දන්නවා AFC plus BFC is 180 angles on a straight line. On a straight line. Right? Then you can substitute AFC for BFC. 180. AFC plus AFC means 2 AFC. Divide both sides by 2. AFC is 90. AFC is 90 means, yes. Therefore, what is AB perpendicular. You can use this symbol. Memalian be perpendicular. AB perpendicular to FC. Right? The second part ඊළඟ කොටස බලන්න. AC and BE. ඒක ආයෙ කරන්න එපා පුතා. AC and BE කියන්නේ ඒකමනේ. By proving these two are congruent triangles. ඒක එහෙම ලියන්න. By proving triangle ABEN triangle BEC as congruent triangles. AC perpendicular to BE can be proved. Can be proved. එහෙම ලියුවහම ඇති එකම දෙයමනේ. එහෙම අහන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය ප්‍රශ්න විභාගෙදී අහන්නේ. දැන් මෙතන අර ටෙක්ස්ට් එකේ තියෙන එක නිසා ඒකම දෙයක් නැවත කරන්න දෙන්නේ අනිත් ඒක තියෙන්නේ මේ දෙක කන්ගුවන් කරලා අර විදිහටම මේ දෙක එකතු 180 කියලා අරගෙන එකක් 90 කියලා ප්‍රූව් කරන්න. ආයෙ නැවත ඒකම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Second one, CF equal BE. Yes, CF equal BE. How can you prove it? CF equal BE. CF equal BE. If you draw this line and you can see two triangles. Now you can prove these two as congruent triangles. If these two triangles are congruent, මේ දෙක congruent වෙනවා නම් මේ දෙක congruent වෙනවා නම් මේ දෙක සමානයි. Yes. What is the case? කියන්න මට. If you prove BFC and EBC are congruent triangle, what is the case?
Right angle hypotenuse side.
Yes, you know this is the right angle. Then these two, this is a common for both, and these two are, you know, this is a equilateral triangle. These two are equal. This given, you know about that. Half of equilateral triangle. The equilateral මේ සමානයි. ඒතර භාග දෙකක් සමානයි. Then right angle triangle hypotenuse side. In the triangles BCF and EBC, right? BFC equals BEC 90, proved. We proved it, 90 degrees. And we know FP equals EC, half of sides of equilateral triangle. BC is common. BC equals BC, common side. Therefore, triangle BCF congruent, triangle EBC under the case RHS. Therefore, our question is A CF equal BE. CF equal BE. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. මම ඔය ගණන් හතර හදලා අපි homework session එක නවත්තමු පුතේ. ඊටු ටික අපි ගණන් කීපේ හැමදාම කරමු. Then write down lesson number 6 area. අපි 6 වෙනි lesson එකට එනවා. Area. Lesson number 6. Area. Write a subtopic. Area of a sector of a circle. Area of a sector of a circle. Area of a sector of a circle. Right? Think about this sector. Angle at the center is theta and radius r. Right? If the radius of the sector, given sector, is r and angle at the center is theta, right? Area is equals, you know, if this one is a circle, we use 5r squared, but this is a part of a circle. This depends on this angle at the center. Theta over 360. This gives the answer. 5r squared, a part of a circle. Theta over 360, like circumference. Arc length, when finding it, 2πr into theta over 360. When finding area, the same thing. This is a part of a circle. This depends on the angle at the center. Write down it. Yeah, got it. පුතේ රේස් කරන්නද? Have you completed?
No, sir.
ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Write down this question. Find the area of each of the following sectors. This angle is 45 degrees, radius 14 cm. Then area equals 5r squared into 45 over 360. Right? 22 over 7. The radius is 14. 14 into 14. You can simplify this. 1 over 8. Divide by 7. 1, 2. By 2. 4. 2, 11. This one by 2. 7. 11 into 7. 77 square centimeters. Important thing, the simplification ability. Divide the values in the numerator and the denominator by the common factors. It's very important. ඒක විතර වැදගත් දෙයක්. උතන නැත්නම් මේ වැඩි කර කර බෙදන්න බෑ අපිට ලවයේ තියෙනව හරයේ තියෙනවට. denominator එක තියෙන එක numerator තියෙනවට divide කරන්න නැත්නම් simplify කරන්න අපිට ability එක තියෙනුන අපි ඒවා ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන දේවල්. Write down this example. Yeah. What is the answer for this one, Puta?
150 volts per centimeter.
154.
54.
Area equals pi r squared to this one is 90 over 300. Actually, what is this? Quarter of a circle. 22 over 7. Radius is 14. 14 into 14. You simplify 1 over 4. Right? 90 over 360 means the simplest form 1 over 4. Divide by 7. 2 by 2. Again by 2. Yes, 11 into 14. 154 square centimeters. Yes, very good. කීයද පුතේ උත්තරේ?
231 square centimeters.
231, right. මම එතන හදන්නම්. Area equals pi r squared into 60 over 360. 22 over 7. Radius is 21. 1 over 6. Divide by 7. 1, 3 by 3. This one is 2 by 2. 11 into 21. 231. Very good. Square centimeters. අදවත් තව එකක් දෙනවා. Right. Do it. Radius is 7. කීයද පුතේ උත්තරේ?
115.5 square centimeters.
115.5. තව උත්තර කියන්න බලන්න. අනිත් අරත් එක දාවේ. Yes. Phi r squared. Angle at the center is it 90? What is the angle at the center? 270, yes. Over 360. 22 over 7. Radius 7. Simplify this. 3 over 4. By 7. By 2. 11. 2. 77 into 3. $231 over 2. The answer is 1, 1, 5.5. Yes, very good. පුතාලා මම homework sheet එක එවන්නම්. දැන් පුතාලට මම සෙන්සරාදා ඉරිදා ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් එකේ කරගෙන යන්නේ මෙතනින් එහාට. හරි? මෙතනින් උඩට තමයි කරගෙන යන්නේ සෙන්සරාදායි සහ ඉරිදා ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාස් වල. ඊළඟට බදාදා ඔන්ලයින් දරුවන්ට විතරක් ඔන්ලයින් පන්තිය තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් පුතාලා හැමෝටම බුදු සරණයි. පරිස්සමෙන්.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.